Hello everyone, let's take a detailed look at how to install and use the accessory kit of ANDELI MIG-135PLUS AE. MIG torch assembly. Select the appropriate contact tip based on your wire diameter and install it. Put on the nozzle over the tip. Your MIG torch is now fully assembled. Flux scored MIG setup. Remove the feed roller. Check whether it's installed properly. The size marking matching your wire diameter should face outward. Pull out the flux core welding wire. Trim off any curved section. Thread the wire through the feed mechanism. Lift and secure the wire pressure lever. Remove the spool retainer clip. Mount the spool. Reinstall the retainer clip. Connect torch to MIG-E port. Connect control cable to control port. Connect ground clamp to positive plus terminal and secure to workpiece or metal surface. Plug in power cable. Switch on machine in MIG mode. Long press wire feed button to feed the wire, or hold torch trigger in MIG mode for automatic feeding. Maintain 1 to 2 cm wire extension beyond nozzle. MMA welding setup. Connect ground clamp to negative terminal. Connect electrode holder to positive plus terminal. Lift TIG setup. Connect ground clamp to positive plus terminal. Connect TIG torch to negative terminal. Connect torch gas hose to argon regulator. Open gas cylinder valve. Set gas flow to approximately 10 liters per minute. This is the installation instruction of the accessory kit for ANDELI MIG-135PLUS AE.